A former overseas Filipino worker or OFW gave an interesting twist to Antique's well-known product, Muscovado. Pilar Mabacquiao of Philippine Information Agency Antique tells us more.
Making a leap from being an overseas Filipino worker to a successful entrepreneur does not always come with sweet twists, but also with some challenges. Meet Abin Ortega, a former overseas Filipino worker turned entrepreneur. With strong entrepreneurial mindset and a goal to enhance local products, he turned his experiences into opportunities, carving out a place in the Muscovado sugar industry.
I've decided to stay na lang dito sa Pinas. Nakipag-connect ako sa DTI. Yung turning point ko is nang na-avail ko yung KMME program ng DTI, which is in collaboration with the Go Negosyo. Nagka-pandemic tayo, naka-access ako ng program din ng DOST, which is the Innovation for Filipinos Working Distantly from the Philippines. In short is I-Forward. Tumutulong sa mga kagaya kong OFW.
In December 2022, with the help of I-Forward PH, a capacity business development course of the Department of Science and Technology for OFWs anchored on science, technology, and innovation, Aben founded Albin Packaging Services, which specializes in producing Muscovado sugar in sachets under brand Handoms.
Very much grateful gid ako. Ang handom ko, quote-unquote, posible man lang gali ma-materialize kung nagkipag-connect kita sa eksakto nga mga government agencies.
Beyond promoting Antique's rich agricultural heritage, this venture creates economic opportunities for local farmers and workers. From the Philippine Information Agency Antique, Pilar Mabacquiao for Balitang Pambansa.